Welcome guys, welcome to the new vlog. So today I'm at Go Station, Union Go Station, and I'm boarding a Go train to Niagara Falls, which is going to take 2 hours 20 minutes from here. And this is the train.
I'm also nervous because the bane of every astronomer's, or like the bane of every cool astronomical event is clouds. Right. Yeah.
This is the station, this is the train. And the train is going to start by 1:03. So this is the station to Niagara. Estimated time from here is again 2 hours 20 minutes. So our train will start to Niagara 2 hours 20 minutes. So this is a direct train which I'll get to Niagara, and it's a big train, basically a double-decker train, and from there we can go to Niagara and see the view of Niagara. It's a good one to have a view. Best view. So okay guys, I'm closing my vlog here. It's set. We'll meet in a new video with a new content. So I'll shoot the Niagara Falls and everything, and thanks for now. So it will take another 2 hours to reach to Niagara, and from there again I need to board a bus for 50 minutes. So it's almost 3 hours journey, and then we can have the beautiful Niagara Falls. So thank you so much guys. Bye bye. Thank you so much.